Welcome folks, another parcel. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. Excellent, it's the Happymodel Larva X. This is the 2 or 3S 2.5 inch micro FPV racing drone, courtesy of Banggood.com. Check them out below. I've got the Frsky D8 version, of course. What's inside? We get the standard instruction booklet for your Crazybee pairing and pig shooting and modes and all that sort of hoo-ha. The Tiger footies containing like a spare hood, some spare props, standard screwdriver, a couple of spacers, a couple of screws, a couple of nuts. Just what you need for when you crash. And the drone itself in some nice little bubble wrap. Okay. Without a battery on it, weighing in at 50.5 grams. I'm sure you guys have seen my past video of the Emax here. I'll just compare sizes next to the Emax Freestyle. You can see the props are the same. The frame is slightly different. Different configuration frame on it, yes. It does feel fairly sturdy though. It's a carbon fibre frame, feels quite strong. It's got a large battery strap here, which actually looks a little bit too big for your 2 or 3S battery, so we'll have to trim that down a bit. Micro USB ports just under here, which is nice and easy to access. Adhesive under here for your battery. Get 7,000 kV motors. The camera itself, as you can see, there's a couple of screws either side, so the camera can actually be adjusted.
I'm just doing a quick adjustment while we speak. It's a matter of undoing those 2 screws on the side there, and as you can see, we can tilt that camera down.
Your VTX antenna sticking out the top here, doesn't look like it's going to get in the way of too much. And your receiver antenna, again, that's underneath here. It might get in the way of the battery a little bit, but we can just tuck it around there, so that's pretty cool. 7,000 kV motors with 1.5mm shaft. Size is 88 by 88 by 45mm without the propellers. It has the Crazybee F4 Pro version 3 flight controller. We are running the Runcam Nano 2 FPV camera up the top there, very nice little addition. And last but not least, an excellent feature with this drone is its micro SD card recording capability. So if you just have a look at the board up the top there, you'll see it has a slot for a micro SD card, so you can record. I'm putting a 16 gig Evo in here. You can record straight onto the SD from your transmission. Let's quickly take a quick record of that before we get up in the sky. Okay, so there's our picture there. Let's see if we can get some recording going. I'm assuming that as soon as the unit itself is powered up, it starts recording to the micro SD. I did shorten the Velcro strap here, so my 3S is nicely compacted in, and I'm ready for a line of sight. So the bind button for this unit is really hard to get to without taking the canopy off. So it's on the FC board down there, and it's, yeah, I can't even show you where it is. It's sort of right in the middle there, but that's cool because I suggest to you guys not disrupting that. It all looks pretty tight and comfy there. So hook into your Betaflight, go down to the CLI and punch in your normal bind command for these flight controls, which is pretty cool, which is hash space bind underscore RX underscore SPI. Excellent. So I will save the line of sight for the next video again, so sorry about that, and smash that bell, wait for it to come down. It should be sometime today or maybe tomorrow, so that's pretty cool. I need to hook it up to Betaflight as well, of course, and do some configuring, so I'll let you know how that goes. Apart from that, full description is in the link below of this unit, where to get it from, how much to pay for it. Great stuff, thanks for stopping by. and we'll see you next video. Skypilot, catch you later.
Untitled.